So first off, today I want to shout out to Dunkin' Donuts for keeping me running. If you're here today trying to figure out how to identify the perfect Facebook ads budget for your business, stay tuned. We're going to break down a specific calculator that we have built in order to identify goals and budgets. So make sure to stay tuned. My name's Chris Marrano. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer and founder of Blue Water Marketing, a digital agency here in South Florida that has spent a lot. And when I say a lot, I literally mean a ton of money on Facebook ads for our clients. So we've developed a calculator to establish a starting line or a baseline budget for any business, whether it's lead generation or e-commerce. And so you can click the little channel markers down here in the video if you're interested in hopping right to either the lead generation or the e-commerce calculator so that you know how much money to be spending on your Facebook ads. So we're hopping right in and we're gonna start with e-commerce because it's a little bit more straightforward than the lead generation because we have opt-in pages and landing pages and blah, blah, blah. So for e-commerce, you wanna start out by identifying what your revenue goal is. How much money, realistically, do you want to make with your Facebook ads? So you identify your revenue target. Now the next step is where you better know your numbers. You need to identify how much revenue or profit do you make per sale. So let's say you have a $50 product that costs you $12 to make. So there you have a $38 revenue per sale. So you want to put that number in. So we've established your revenue goal and your revenue per sale. So right off the rip, we know how many sales you're gonna need. So let's just say you have a revenue target of $25,000. We're gonna keep the math real easy. So you wanna make $25,000, your average revenue per sale, let's just say, is $50. So that means you need 500 sales this month in order to hit your goal. Sounds easy, right? But we gotta go deeper into it. Hopefully your business has been running for a while and you have an average conversion rate for your website. We're gonna say 5% again, because we're keeping the numbers real simple here. With that, using these calculations with this budget calculator is that you will need 1,000 link clicks at a 5% conversion rate to get the amount of people needed for your 5% conversion rate. On average, Facebook's click-through rates are between 2. You are going to need 10,000 link clicks at your 5% conversion rate. Average, let's just call it on a 2% click-through rate. Your estimated cost per click, let's just say 50 cents. Your reach needed to substantiate 10,000 link clicks at a 50-cent cost per click and a 2% click-through rate is 500,000 people. So your audience size better be at least 500,000 people. You are able to calculate all these items, your conversion rate, your click-through rate, your cost per click, your revenue goal, your cost per sale, or your revenue per sale. All of these things working together within this document is telling me that you need $5,000 a month in Facebook ads budget to hit a cost per acquisition of $10. So you're spending $5,000 to make $25,000. Now, of course, there's all these other factors into it, but that's how you should be breaking down how to establish a Facebook ads budget. And I know me saying it to you right now is super confusing. So if you're interested in this document, you can click the link below, download it for yourself, and you can start playing with the numbers to establish a budget that works for you. So start with your revenue target, then go to your revenue per sale, which will tell you right off the bat how many sales you need. Then you can start looking into what is your website conversion rate, average click-through rates, average cost per clicks, your audience size. This calculator will give you all of that information, and then boom, $5,000 a month to hit your $25,000 goal. But while I have you here for 1 second, give me the thumbs up if you like this video and you found any of this useful. It is useful. This is how we grow our clients' businesses using Facebook ads. So now we're on the lead generation side of things. So you want to start again with your revenue target. Let's say $50,000. That's how much you want to make per month on Facebook ads. Is it a lot? Not really, because you're going to see how this breaks down. Next step is identifying what is your average client worth. We'll put $1,200. I don't know what you do, but it's pretty much on the low side. We can even double that if you'd like. So you want to make $50,000. Average client worth, let's put $2,400. So you will need 21 clients per month in order to hit your goal of $50,000. So what's next? Sounds easy, right? Next step is identifying what is your leads conversion rate. We're gonna go with 5%. So make sure you're taking notes here because there's a lot of numbers and how things work together. 5%. You will need a total of 417 soft leads in order to get enough people within your funnel in order to hit your revenue goal. Unfortunately, everybody knows there's a no call, no show, extremely high percentage rate on soft leads. So what is your no call percentage? Well, it's 40%. So you actually will need 694 form fills within the first step of your funnel. Then we're gonna switch in. So out of that, those people, how many are still following through? We're gonna go with 30%. So you will need 2,315 link clicks to your ad. So now the next step, identifying what's your average cost per click. We'll put $3 because if you're in a niche industry for lead gen, $3 is about right. What's your click-through rate? We're going with 2% on the low end, but on average, I'd rather be safe than sorry. So after putting all of that data into this calculator, we're able to establish that you need to spend $6,944 in order to reach that $50,000 revenue target. And if this is super confusing, click the link below. You can download this calculator so that you can actually see what I'm talking about. And if you like this video, if you have any questions, give me a thumbs up and ask the questions in the comments where yours truly, will answer them for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram where I put out other videos every day about all different aspects of digital marketing. And we'll see you guys next Monday.